Welcome to our guide on how to open an expert option account in 2025. Today, we'll be walking you through each easy step. Step 1. Start by visiting the official expert option website. Take a moment to explore the user-friendly interface. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form with your details. Step 3. Choose the type of account you want to create. We have both demo and real account options available. Step 4. Verify your email address to ensure the security of your new account. Step 5. Complete the KYC process. This involves providing necessary identification documents. Step 6. Fund your account using one of the various payment methods available in 2025. Step 7. Download the Expert Option mobile app for trading on the go. Step 8. Finally, explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading tools and resources available. To recap, we've covered the steps to open your Expert Option account. Now, you're ready to start trading confidently.